Step into the enchanting world of Mediterranean design, a style born in the sun-drenched regions surrounding the iconic Mediterranean Sea. Originating in countries like Spain, Greece, Italy, and Morocco, this timeless aesthetic is a captivating blend of warmth, character, and cultural richness. In this video, we'll dive into the distinctive elements that define Mediterranean interiors, from vibrant textiles to textured walls, and discover how you can infuse this sun-soaked allure into your own living spaces. The essence of Mediterranean style. Picture the charm of Spain's stunning tilework, Greece's turquoise and cobalt blue accents, Italy's rustic furnishings, and Morocco's intricate wood carvings. Each region contributes its own unique flair, creating a tapestry of design that is both diverse and cohesive. Hallmarks of Mediterranean interiors. Explore the hallmarks that make Mediterranean interiors truly stand out. From textured white walls to the use of natural materials like stone and wood, these elements form the foundation of a neutral backdrop that sets the stage for the style's vibrant features. Join us as we uncover the beauty of terracotta floors, rich textiles, and the timeless allure of rustic furnishings. Transforming your space. Ready to infuse your own space with the Mediterranean spirit? Learn how to create a neutral backdrop using textured white walls and natural wood. Discover the art of incorporating vibrant textiles, whether it's through bold patterns or rich hues. We'll also explore how to introduce rustic yet elegant furnishings that capture the essence of Mediterranean living. Journey through beautiful photos. Take a virtual journey through the picturesque landscapes of Mediterranean interiors. Immerse yourself in a visual feast of sunlit spaces, textured walls, and the timeless appeal of wooden and stone elements. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your home or simply admiring the beauty of this definitive style, let the visuals transport you to the land of sun and sea. The foundation of Mediterranean homes. Step into the heart of Mediterranean style, where the floors tell a tale of durability and timeless sophistication. Whether it's the cool touch of stone or the warm embrace of terracotta, these flooring choices create a foundation that goes beyond mere aesthetics. They are the essence of easy maintenance and long-lasting quality that defines the historic charm of Mediterranean homes. Easy to clean, enduring in quality. Discover the practical advantages that come with stone and terracotta floors. Not only do they exude a natural beauty that enhances the overall aesthetic, but their easy-to-clean nature makes them a practical choice for busy households. Explore how these flooring options effortlessly withstand the test of time, contributing to the enduring appeal of Mediterranean design. Creating abundant depth. Delve into the visual richness that stone and terracotta floors bring to a room. The depth of color and texture adds a layer of opulence, transforming spaces into a luxurious haven. Whether you opt for the cool, neutral tones of stone or the warm, earthy hues of terracotta, these floors become more than just a surface. They become a statement of Mediterranean luxury. Incorporating stone and terracotta in your home. Ready to infuse a touch of Mediterranean grandeur into your own space? We'll provide tips on how to seamlessly incorporate stone or terracotta floors, whether you're renovating or starting from scratch. From choosing the right tones to complementing them with other design elements, you'll learn how to capture the essence of this historic style in your home. Nature's influence on Mediterranean hues. Discover the harmonious marriage of Mediterranean design and the natural world. The color wheel of this style draws inspiration directly from nature, reflecting the warm, earthy tones of terracotta, ochre, burnt umber, and chestnut. These hues form the foundation of a palette that speaks to the authenticity and timelessness of Mediterranean interiors. Earthy elegance. Terracotta, ochre, and burnt umber. Take a closer look at the warm, earthy tones that anchor Mediterranean style. From the sun-kissed allure of terracotta to the golden richness of ochre and the deep, grounding tones of burnt umber, these colors bring a sense of elegance and authenticity to every space they touch. Learn how to incorporate these hues into your own home for a touch of Mediterranean charm. Shades of the sea and sky. Cerulean, azure, and seafoam green. Immerse yourself in the cool and refreshing side of the Mediterranean color palette. Inspired by the hues of the sea and sky, cerulean blues, azure, deep purples, and seafoam greens add a touch of coastal sophistication to the mix. Explore how these shades create a sense of tranquility and balance, perfectly complementing the warmth of the earthy tones. Creating a Mediterranean color story in your home. Ready to infuse your living space with the enchanting colors of the Mediterranean. We'll guide you through the art of creating a cohesive color story, from choosing the right tones to balancing warm and cool hues. Whether you're redecorating a room or starting from scratch, you'll learn how to capture the essence of Mediterranean style in your own home. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of Mediterranean color, you'll have gained a deeper appreciation for the from-the-earth palette that breathes life into this iconic design. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of terracotta or the cool serenity of cerulean, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you've been inspired to bring the enchanting colors of the Mediterranean into your own living spaces. Until next time, may your surroundings be filled with the timeless elegance of nature's palette in Mediterranean style. As we conclude our journey into the world of Mediterranean design, you'll have gained a deeper understanding of why stone and terracotta floors are more than just choices. They are essential elements that contribute to the enduring allure of this iconic style. Whether you're a design enthusiast or someone looking to elevate their living space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you've been inspired by the luxurious embrace of stone and terracotta floors. Until next time, embrace the enduring beauty and practical elegance of Mediterranean design. As we wrap up our exploration of Mediterranean style, you'll walk away with a deeper appreciation for its warm, inviting atmosphere and timeless allure. Whether you choose to incorporate the vibrant colors of Greece, the intricate details of Morocco, or the rustic elegance of Italy and Spain, Mediterranean design offers a rich tapestry of possibilities for transforming your living spaces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you've been inspired to bring a touch of the Mediterranean into your own home. Until next time, embrace the sun-soaked elegance of Mediterranean style.